What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Sledge 6S. I'm checking out this Gens Ace battery, 6S battery. They sitting in the tray, even though it's some wobble there. There was some wobble right there, but let me tighten that a little tighter. That's the thing about straps, man. I just wish Traxxas would make their battery trays big enough to fit all size batteries. Cut the power on, remote on, power on, body on. Easy. Got a feeling this the last day for these batteries. I don't know why. I mean the last day for these tires. I don't know, this battery seems like it's punching this car. Alright. These tires aren't long for this world. It is giving it a little more push though, I ain't gonna lie. I tried this battery on my my hobby. Yeah, these things is pushing. That thing ain't no joke, man. Yeah, this thing is punching a lot more. It is definitely punching a lot harder. Whoa. Didn't even catch it. And the funny part is, this is the second car I got this battery in, running it hard like this. Want to see how long it's gonna last. Yeah, the Sledge is a beast, man. I have to give it props. It is a beast. Here go that bumper. You gotta hit that spot in the right spot or you will miss. I mean, an inch over, you miss it. I mean, I don't want to keep jumping my cars, but I do want jumps from, you know, here and there. That wasn't what I wanted, but. Yo, I'm not a jumper, man. Did I break something? Fine, except for this plug right here. The tank. This car really is a tank. I'm telling you, some upgrades, not even major upgrades. You upgrade this a little more, man, this would be really unstoppable. Oh, I liked it, that one. I'm gonna bring my man Ish up here, cause this place is alright. Not this jumping crap though. He'll like it up here. You got privacy. You can run as hard as you want without worrying about people around. Even though it's gonna be dirty by the time you finish. All right, let me start with this jump. About to end this video because the Gens Ace, we'll be out here another hour. All right, let's try one more jump, then we're gonna end it. But sometime that last jump truly be the end. But let's see if this is gonna be that jump. Nah, keep hitting it wrong. I mean, they look good on slow mo, but let me see if I can get that again. I know I ain't gonna be able to get that jump. I'm gonna have to leave it in the short form. Whoa, almost hit it. All right, but as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Oh, I like the dead one.